Hello, good morning. வாழ்க வளமுடன். My name is Madhavan. I am from Bangalore. I want to share some views about life energy or life force. Vedatri Maharishi mentioned there are three aspects which are required to be understood to bridge science and spirituality. One of that is life force or life energy or biomagnetism or Veer or Prana or Anma. So whatever it is. Now, one of the missing link is life force, and I would like to talk about it in a kind of a serial. I call this as life force serial. Now, another two missing points for the sake of completeness is the consciousness or arivu, and the third one is the absolute space or gravity. Right? We will go to the consciousness and gravity later. First, I would like to give some insight into the life force. Right? Life force is also called by so many names. One is the life energy. Another one is biomagnetism. Another one is prana. Another one is atma, soul. Another one is Veer. Why I am telling all these names is that if these names are used interchangeably, let us not get confused. Right? I prefer the word life energy because it is such a common thing, because the whole universe is energy ball, and there are so many tiny balls of energy. We call them mass, creations, living organisms, humans. And one such tiny ball is a human, but it is also an energy ball. It is very easy to understand that there is something called universal energy, that is the biggest ball. There is something called bioenergy, that is the smallest ball. And between these two balls, there are always continuous energy transformations are taking place between universal energy and bioenergy. Maharishi call it universal magnetism and biomagnetism. So, human is very particular to know about this life energy, mainly for the reason his living time or his lifetime is decided by the life force in him or in his body. As long as the life force is inside and working, then he is happy to live. And once the life force or energy escape out of the body, when there is no function of body, there is no identity of his oneself. The energy merges with the universal energy, and there is no uniqueness, separateness, right, to say me and mine. So that's why human want to create something, right? We say God has created everything. Human also is competing with God. He is also want to create something. He needs his lifetime to live. And so he wants his life force to be with him. So, to understand his life force from the scientific perspective, we need to have some basic knowledge of sciences, especially physics, and that knowledge should cover fields like pressure, electricity, magnetism, chemistry, and so on. So I have a plan to cover these basic sciences as we proceed with the subject. I'll be thankful if you can send me how do you feel about this. Should I continue or you have some other ideas? Then thank you. Bye-bye. See you again. Maybe tomorrow. Good day.